Hello Mzansi, welcome back to Ask Mode Pro. I hope you stay, I hope you fall in love, and I hope you definitely hit the subscribe button. So guys, if you know Xolane guys have been in trouble ngokuthi kushone guys i-drug dealer interrogator. So people were asking themselves ukuthi ushone njani lo muntu kanti what strategy or plans are they using ukuthi labantu baze bakhulume ukuze kugcinakale i-drug dealer ishona guys, but siyabe ukuthi Xolane guys sebenzisana nemaphoyisa ka-70 I1 and asimnikeni i-caption mfana abantu 70 le bekaklina atitradi aklina ama-drugs guys, aklina ama-Nigeria lathengisa ama-drugs. Bengichaza masikathi chief stop lying chief, you will give me the drugs chief. So guys, ngemva kokuthi kwenteke lesigaxa leso, someone must be charged guys. So apparently uXolane guys today uye kuthi hand over emaphoyiseni, but bantu bathi they are behind him all the way, bayasho ukuthi nje nabamsupporta bathi bafuna nokumkhapha ecourt, bafuna kuhamba nayo because guys bayawubona umsebenzi lomuhle loXolane bekawenda guys. Konke lokuhlela kwendile guys, kuhlena ama-drugs kwendani behlula guys ngisho nemaphoyisa lokhu, but yena bekakhona akukwenda and besibona ukuthi ukwenda kahle ngendlela lesimanga. So angeke sithi masikavelelwe inkinga bese sesikhohlwa konke lokuhle Xolane lakwendile guys for South Africa, and we applaud him for this and we are all way behind uXolane. Please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.